topic of football analysis. This is the content, and I'm going to start with the background part. Recently, AI in sports market is growing, but still today, equipment is essential to where to analyze. This is very inconvenient for the player because this is very inconvenient for the player, and it also increases the injuries for the players. To overcome this limitation, I just analyze the football but only use the camera. This is what we start. But before start, I want to show the overall flow chart in my project. First, I input the football video as follows. And then I perform object detection. And I also perform the field key points detection. This is very important part, so I'm going to explain in detail later. And in object detection part, I also performed player and referee detection and the ball detection. And finally, the result is as follows. So, the object detection part, I use YOLO model, which is the best model in object detection in these days. In player and referee detection part, I performed custom training to optimize only for football players and referees. If I use only YOLO model, it detects all the people in the camera, for example, crowds and managers. And to distinguish between the two teams, I decide two colors that have the majority color among the pixels in the bounding box. The bounding box is where the players are recognized. And the ball detection part, since the ball in the video is too small, I perform the custom training for detecting the ball more precisely. And the field key point detection part, I use homography matrix, and I assign 32 specific points in the field, such as corners, and penalty areas, and center circles, etc. So, we can find key points in real time and map key points to 2D field. Let's see this figure first. Like this. And then, if any of the 32 specific points are visible on the screen, we can map them to the 2D field, like this. So this is the final results of the field key points detection. As you see in the video, the blue line, blue line and the blue spot represents the 2D map line projection, and the red spot represents one of 32 key points. So we can map players' proper positions in 2D field while it is just single camera. And demonstration videos and results. The first results is 3D play video. As you see in the video, we can see the players and referees. That means no crowds are detected. And it also classifies two teams as colors, detect referees as yellow, and detect small balls here as yellow arrow points. The second result is 2D tactical map video. We can classify the teams and referees as colors like before, and we can detect both movement, and this is more visible. Through this top-down view, we can check or analyze more intuitively. The third result is a 2D tactical radar video. We can check the team's control map for attacking or defending situations. This is another 2D tactical radar video. This is just adding 2 players' positions, 2D players' positions and the movements, and also the ball movements. The final result is quite interesting. First, I select a team, and second, I input the ball's video. In my case, I select a team called Leeds United in England, and I selected 81 goals in last seasons. And third, capture image right before the goal situation. Let's see this video first. So, and these images are directly converted to 2D image. So lastly, gather data and analyze. Through this result, we can say the left attack brought the best results, and we can determine the best offensive direction for this team. In conclusion, we can increase this team strength through team level analysis, and players can analyze without having to wear it on their bodies. And lastly, increases interest in football by providing analysis tools to the general public. Thank you.